Welcome to our comprehensive overview of artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the history, fundamental concepts, and real-world applications of AI. But first, what exactly is AI? Simply put, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are designed to think, learn, and adapt like humans, performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. In today's world, AI is revolutionizing various industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment. It's not just about futuristic robots. AI has practical implications that enhance our daily lives, making processes more efficient and decision-making smarter. Whether you're a student, a tech enthusiast, or a professional looking to deepen your understanding of AI, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we embark on this educational and engaging exploration of how AI unfolds and revolutionizes the world around us. The journey of artificial intelligence began in the 1950s, marked by groundbreaking ideas and pioneers like Alan Turing, whose work laid the foundation for AI research. He famously proposed the Turing test, a method to evaluate a machine's ability to demonstrate intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. As the 1960s rolled in, researchers experimented with primitive algorithms and machines capable of rudimentary learning, driven by immense enthusiasm and ambition. The origins of AI set the stage for decades of innovation in technology. These early explorations sparked a movement that evolved into the sophisticated AI systems we know today. Stay with us as we explore the exciting journey of AI from its nascent stages to its current prominence. Despite early enthusiasm, the world of AI faced significant challenges in the 1970s and 1980s. This era, known as the AI winter, was marked by a stark decline in AI research and development. Unmet expectations led to widespread funding cuts, stalling progress and innovation. Many AI projects were abandoned, and the momentum that had once driven the field came to a standstill. However, these tough times were pivotal, setting the stage for the resilience and breakthroughs that would come later. You'll discover how AI emerged from this winter to ignite a new era of technological advancement and discovery. The 1990s and 2000s marked a significant revival in artificial intelligence. During this period, advancements in machine learning became a driving force behind AI's resurgence. Researchers leveraged increased computational power, allowing for more complex algorithms and improved performance. Techniques like neural networks and support vector machines began to show great promise, leading to increased interest from both academia and industry. This era also saw a major shift in the practical applications of AI, from pattern recognition to data analysis, setting the stage for today's innovative technologies. As we delve deeper into this transformative period, we'll explore the breakthroughs and pivotal moments that fueled AI's growth. Now, let's delve into the basics of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. AI can be broadly categorized into three types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI focuses on specific tasks like speech recognition or playing chess. General AI refers to systems that can perform any intellectual task a human can, while superintelligent AI surpasses human intelligence in virtually every field. To truly grasp AI, we need to explore key concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing. These are the building blocks of AI, making it possible for machines to learn from data, recognize patterns, and interpret human language. Artificial intelligence comes in different forms and strengths. At the most basic level, we have narrow AI, designed to perform specific tasks like facial recognition or language translation. Next, we have general AI, which can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human. While fully operational general AI is yet to be achieved, it's a significant area of research. Finally, we have superintelligent AI, the most advanced form, surpassing human intelligence across all fields, from creativity to problem solving. Understanding these categories helps us grasp the current capabilities and future possibilities of AI. Next, we'll explore the mechanisms that power these AI types, diving into machine learning. Machine learning stands as a pillar within the realm of artificial intelligence. At its core, machine learning enables systems to learn and evolve from experience, enhancing their performance over time. Instead of being explicitly programmed, these systems use algorithms to identify patterns and make decisions. There are two primary techniques: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset used for tasks like image recognition. In contrast, unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, useful for clustering and association tasks. Understanding these methods is crucial as we advance into more complex domains like neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks are a vital component in AI, inspired by the human brain's architecture. They are intricate systems made up of layers of nodes, or neurons, each serving a unique purpose in data processing. These networks learn to recognize patterns and solve problems by adjusting the weights of connections between nodes, akin to how our brain adapts over time. Leveraging vast amounts of data, neural networks can perform tasks like recognizing images or understanding language. Their structure includes input, hidden, and output layers, allowing for efficient and scalable data processing. As we delve deeper, you'll see how deep learning magnifies their capabilities even further. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, has transformed AI. By utilizing neural networks with many layers, deep learning models can analyze and interpret complex data patterns with astonishing accuracy. This technology is the backbone of many advancements redefining our world today. From voice assistants to autonomous vehicles, deep learning applications are vast. It enables machines to recognize faces, understand spoken language, and predict medical outcomes with precision. What sets deep learning apart is its ability to learn from vast data and improve over time, pushing AI's boundaries. As we continue, we'll see how deep learning intersects with other concepts, laying the groundwork for future innovations. Natural language processing, or NLP, allows machines to understand and respond to human language, bridging the gap between computers and natural communication. NLP includes techniques like parsing text, recognizing speech patterns, and translating languages. Everyday examples include virtual assistants and instant document translation. NLP powers sophisticated algorithms in search engines, sentiment analysis, and automated chatbots. By enabling machines to interpret and generate human language, NLP breaks down barriers and makes technology more accessible. It's a cornerstone of modern AI, seamlessly integrating into various sectors and transforming user experiences. Next, we'll delve into how AI is revolutionizing healthcare. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare in profound ways. Through precise and rapid medical diagnosis, AI enhances accuracy and efficiency in patient care. It's not just about identifying diseases. AI is also personalizing treatment plans, ensuring tailored care for each patient. Moreover, AI optimizes administrative workflows, reducing costs and improving resource allocation. These advancements collectively redefine the boundaries of medical practice. As we move forward, you'll see how AI is equally transformative in finance, revolutionizing fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service. Join us as we explore the next groundbreaking application of AI. In finance, artificial intelligence has carved out a powerful niche. One critical application is fraud detection. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of transactional data in real time, pinpointing unusual patterns that might indicate fraudulent activity, enhancing the security of financial systems. Another transformative application is algorithmic trading, where AI processes market data at lightning speeds, making split-second trading decisions. This optimizes trading strategies and boosts financial returns. Moreover, AI revolutionizes customer service within the financial sector. Chatbots provide immediate 24/7 support, handling inquiries and transactions efficiently. Personalized AI recommendations further enhance customer satisfaction. As we move forward, you'll see how AI continues to redefine various industries. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing transportation. It's driving autonomous vehicles, ensuring safer and more efficient travel. Intelligent traffic management systems reduce congestion and optimize traffic flow, making commutes smoother and more predictable. AI unlocks new efficiencies in logistics, from route optimization to automated warehousing, streamlining goods movement globally. As we wrap up our look at AI in transportation, we move on to how AI is reshaping education with personalized learning experiences and innovative tools. AI's expanding capabilities are transforming industries and improving lives in countless ways. Stay tuned as we delve into the groundbreaking applications of AI in education. AI in education is transforming the way we learn and teach. It offers personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's needs, ensuring no one gets left behind. Automated grading systems save educators countless hours, allowing them to focus on inspiring and nurturing young minds. AI-enabled educational tools create engaging, interactive learning environments that foster curiosity and deeper understanding of complex subjects. As we continue exploring AI's potential in education, we see a future where learning is more accessible, flexible, and effective. This integration is revolutionizing education, setting the stage for the next generation of learners. Next, we'll see AI making waves in the entertainment world. Artificial intelligence is transforming the entertainment industry. Imagine a world where your streaming service knows exactly what you want to watch. AI's personalized recommendations make this possible by analyzing your preferences and viewing habits. In game development, AI creates sophisticated, responsive characters, making gaming experiences more immersive. AI-driven algorithms understand a player's style and adapt the game environment in real time. In virtual reality, AI crafts hyper-realistic environments, blurring the line between the virtual and the real. These innovations showcase how AI enhances entertainment and reshapes interactions with media. Next, we'll explore the ethical considerations that accompany such powerful technologies. As AI evolves, navigating its ethical landscape becomes increasingly critical. One significant concern is bias in AI systems, emerging from the data used to train AI, leading to unfair outcomes. It's imperative to acknowledge and rectify these biases for fairness and equity. Privacy is another pressing issue. With AI collecting vast amounts of personal data, safeguarding it from misuse is paramount. Balancing data use for innovation and protecting privacy rights is essential. Regulation guides ethical AI use, mitigating risks and ensuring responsible development. Policymakers, technologists, and society must collaborate on frameworks that encourage ethical AI practices. Addressing these issues head-on is crucial for sustainable AI development. As we conclude our exploration into the world of AI, let's cast our vision forward to the future. AI is not just a transformative tool of today, but a beacon guiding us into tomorrow. Emerging trends are set to revolutionize industries, enhancing our ability to solve complex problems, improving efficiencies, and reshaping the nature of work. Future innovations in AI promise unprecedented changes, from autonomous decision-making systems to advanced personalized experiences. The landscape of AI is continuously evolving, and its capacity to learn and adapt holds the promise of an exciting future. Engaging critically with ethical considerations will shape the future of AI responsibly. In conclusion, we've journeyed through the rich history of AI, explored its fundamental concepts, and witnessed its diverse applications across various fields. From its early beginnings to breakthrough moments, AI's evolution has been remarkable. Understanding the basics of AI and its principles is crucial, whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or a professional. AI enhances healthcare, finance, transportation, education, and entertainment, significantly impacting our lives. Ethical considerations remind us of the responsibility we carry as we innovate. We encourage you to dive deeper into this fascinating field, stay curious, and harness AI's power to create a better future. Thank you for watching our overview of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Hit the like button to show your support, share this video, and leave comments with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us produce high-quality, informative videos. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI. Until next time, thank you and goodbye. We'd like to extend our deepest gratitude to everyone who contributed to the making of this video. Special thanks to authors, researchers, and professionals instrumental in compiling the history, concepts, and applications of AI. We'd also like to acknowledge the behind-the-scenes teams who worked on research, script writing, and production. For more learning, check the description for additional resources and references, including seminal papers, books, articles, and educational websites. Your journey into the world of AI doesn't stop here. Continued learning is key to staying informed. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Keep learning and stay curious.